Hello friends, Akash here from the Solution and welcome back to another videos. This video's tutorial is about how you can fix micro out on iPhone 7 and 7 Plus because this model has such type of problems. Keep watching these videos till the end. Every process is an importance. I saw various comments about that problem like that. Remember, that is the problem related to hardware that can be seen sometime fixed after rest of time or restart, sometime automatically fixed after 2 days or reset to factory setting etc. Let me show you how you can fix it. If you visit us first time, please hit the subscribe button, give thumbs up if it is helpful. Don't forget to press bell icon so that you never miss an important update from us. Alright, without further delay, let's learn how you fix the problem with speaker grayed out. Do you ever face a problem? You cannot hear your voice, or sometimes video recording also is stuck on. That is one of the common problem in 7 series iPhone like iPhone 7 and 7 Plus. You have to first power off the device always before you have doing any hardware job. Open LCD carefully. Take the screw out. Observe the PCB carefully. Here someone is already trying to repair it. Remove the audio IC carefully. Remember, below this there is BB CPU and so many parts you can see near this IC makes somehow difficult. If you use so many heat, that may cause modem firmware problem, or you cannot see the IMEI result, no service was shown. So be careful while you remove that audio IC. Be careful, do not use overheat. On that fault, only replace audio IC is not the solution. You have to do 4 micro jumper below the audio IC on logic board. Here I am doing 4 micro jumper on the PCB. Put UV glue, dry with UV lamp, wait for some time. Clean all the pad with solder wick. All pins must be flat and signed. Put some plugs, put IC and fix it. These are all the above process you have to follow to solve that problem. To share these videos with your friends and loved ones. Consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't already. I am Akash. Peace out till the next time.